Hello, my name is Pearl Jemison Smith and I'm a board member of the Center Orange County. It is my sincere honor to present our first Torchbearer honoree. Dr. Christopher Ried is not only a friend and colleague, but the medical director of HIV/STD services for the Orange County Healthcare Agency and also the STD controller for Orange County. In 1991, he opened the first AIDS Healthcare Foundation clinic in Los Angeles and worked there for 7 years. He then became the medical director of HIV/STD services here in Orange County, where he's been for 21 years. Dr. Ried has been instrumental in reducing HIV infection rates in Orange County, and most especially within the LGBTQ community. He's a trusted partner of the Center OC and a steward of good health for all in Orange County. Without further ado, I present this esteemed award to Dr. Christopher Ried.
On behalf of the LGBTQ Center OC, it is our honor to present this Torchbearer Award to Dr. Christopher Ried for his work in lighting the way for our community. Dr. Ried, we appreciate everything you do.
Oh wow, that is so, and my name is spelled right.
Yay!
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, that's so great. Oh, lighting the way. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thanks to Peg and Pearl and the whole team at the Center OC. I feel like I'm a little too young to be receiving something like this. I mean, I've only been doing it here 21 years. I think I got another good 15 years in me, probably. There's so much more work that needs to be done. I've been seeing so many new young patients in our clinic who aren't on PrEP, who get infected with HIV, and lately we've been having a lot of older patients coming in who tested positive years ago but never got into treatment, or patients who've never tested in their lifetime. And last year really felt like the 90s all over again, with patients coming in very, very sick with AIDS-related infections like cryptococcal meningitis, toxoplasmosis, encephalitis, KS, CMV, MAC. We shouldn't see any of these kinds of infections anymore. And I feel like there's so much more work to be done. The STD rates are off the charts. It's funny, getting an award. My father I grew up in upstate New York, and my father taught us through example that doing as much for your community as you can possibly do is the goal in life. And he, through example, taught us that, and he accomplished huge things with care for the mentally ill and the developmentally disabled. And he did that all after working 12-hour days every day at his job. And I'm really so lucky that I can do this as my job. But he taught us also that you should accomplish things very quietly. You should avoid any kind of public recognition. And he taught us that getting public recognition, or God forbid, an award for what you've done, is the worst possible thing that can happen to you. And he told me, and this is a quote, avoid awards at all cost. So all I can say is, sorry, Dad, here's my award, and thank you very much.